of ingredients, it's not an easy recipe. But in terms of throwing everything together, super easy. We're gonna start with the sugars. Add them to a bowl. To that, you're going to add the orange zest. Now you can totally, leave the orange zest out if you want. I really love the flavor of the orange zest with the apple cider and the spices. It's amazing. Now I'm gonna add in the oil. With the oil, I'm gonna add in the vanilla extract or essence. I'm using paste in this situation. Now, I'm also going to add in the eggs. Like I said, super easy. You're just throwing everything together. First the wet, then the dry, then together. And number 4. All right. Now you can opt to stir this by hand. I'm gonna use a hand mixer and fluff it up a bit, get some air into these eggs. Let's go. Okay, time to move on to the dry ingredients. The dried ingredients, totally easy. We're just going to put the flour with the spices as well as the baking soda, baking powder. Whisk that up. Make sure they are all well incorporated into each other. Okay, now here's the cool part. We're just going to add, still using the blender, the dry ingredients, then the apple cider, dry, apple cider, dry. So what you want to do is make sure you finish with the dry ingredients. All right, put that there. Begin with the dry. Once the dry ingredients are well incorporated, you go into with the apple cider. You go into the batter with the apple cider and vice versa. Gotta scrape it down. Scrape it. Scrape, scrape, scrape it. Scrape it. Scrape, scrape, scrape. What am I doing? What am I doing? Smells so good. And we're done. This is a kind of a wet batter, so it's actually going to stay in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. So it's going to take a long time. And I'm sad to say, it's really going to make your home smell incredible. I mean, sorry, that's just the price you're going to have to pay. 350 degrees. 45 minutes. Don't open the oven. Let's go.
Eventually.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby.
Alright, now we're about to keep this real simple. If you want to add on a little drizzle, what we're going to do is mix together some icing sugar, and we're going to add in ginger and cinnamon to that. This is totally different from the regular icing sugar kind of mixture that you would make, but it is absolutely worth it. You know why? Because you're worth it. So, gonna mix that together. Then we're gonna add in the vanilla and the Canadian maple syrup. To that, we're gonna add in the apple cider. Now this should be enough to create a nice little consistency. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. If anything, this might end up being too thick, And what I'll do in that scenario is add more apple cider. The cake has cooled down. We're gonna add it on top and sprinkle some almond slices on top. It's gonna be amazing. And that's it. It smells so good. You guys need to give this a try. It is amazing. You deserve it. You need to treat yourself. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. This smells amazing. I'm gone. I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.